Hi, have you ever wondered that where to find information when you need help or when you need support? Well, this is a vital part of entrepreneurship. You need to know where to tap when you need something. Again, I would like to emphasize you don't need to have everything. What you need to have is to knowing where to tap when you need. This is one of the secret of great entrepreneurs. So in this video we are going to talk about the 7 sources of knowledge. See, your knowledge, your self-knowledge is a vital source of your knowledge in terms of creating a successful business. All the knowledge you grab through your failure, through your success, through your family, in the network, in your environment, in your culture, in your country, those all knowledge are important. All you need to understand that organize your knowledge, what you have gathered with time. Second vital source of knowledge is the people around you. For example, I don't know how to repair the car. So if I need any help, that if I got stuck somewhere on the road, what I can do that I can call my garagist friend and he can help me over the phone. He can assist me that what I should do immediately without waiting for the repairing companies for 2 hours or 3 hours or getting stuck in some other problem. So this is exactly kind of approach you need to understand. To be a successful entrepreneurs, you need to understand where to tap. You need to identify right point to tap for right knowledge. Secondly, the books is a great source of knowledge. This can help you to understand your concept, your idea, and entire business from throughout the world. There's a many brilliant people have wrote the book, and this will help you to understand and discover. Most of the successful business people, they read 1 book minimum per month. So if you want to be successful, this is another great source of knowledge you need to know, or at least you should gather it to tap when you need. All right, so other way is to a library. If you don't want to buy the book and make a library, it's fine. Just go in a public library and just look for the knowledge you're looking for, kind of knowledge you're looking for. Other source is kind of club and association, like when a number of people are gathered in one subject, for example a marketing, or for example a customer service. So around 200 people are gathering on the same subject. So it will help you to understand the expertise of each individual in the niche. So if you need some help at certain point of time, you know whom to call. All right, after there is a school, if you want to get trained, you can go for a school coaching, and far more easier to obtaining the knowledge is internet. Now everything is on tap. We just have to type on Google or on any other search engine, and you can have all the plenty of information what you're looking for. But be selective in the process of acquiring knowledge, or in the process of selecting knowledge, because again internet is a great source of knowledge, but in the same time there is a lot of misinformation, so you must not be misguided. All right, so again I have to revisit what we learned in this chapter. We learned that there is a 7 great source of knowledge: self-knowledge, people, book and library, club, internet, school. So all that is a great source of knowledge. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.